Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about some common misconceptions about success and wealthy people. So, let's dive in and debunk these myths together. Misconception number 1. Successful people always have a lot of money. Well, that's not always the case. In fact, when you're just starting out on your journey to success, you might not have a cent to your name. It takes time and hard work to build wealth. Misconception number 2. Successful people don't struggle financially at all. False. Even the most successful individuals can hit rough patches or make mistakes that lead to financial struggles. We all make mistakes, no matter how successful we become. Misconception number 3. Wealthy people have no debts. In reality, even those who are financially well off can have debts. It's all about managing money wisely and learning from our mistakes. Whether we have a fortune or are us starting out on our financial journey. And there you have it. These misconceptions about successful and wealthy people can be easily debunked with a little insight into their lives. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and it takes time and effort to achieve success and build wealth. Thanks for watching this video. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this one. Until next time.